Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the rigid braid stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, single crochet stitch, how to work in the front loops, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you can make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You'll then make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. For row 2, we're going to be making slip stitches into each stitch, but only using the front loop of each stitch. So if you turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches, this loop right here, the one that's closest to you on each stitch, is the front loop. So you're going to be making slip stitches into each of those stitches, but only using that front loop. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're going to be making 1 single crochet into each stitch across, but only using the back loop of each stitch. So turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches. This loop farthest away from you on the back side of your stitches is the back loop. So you're simply going to work 1 single crochet into each stitch, but only using the back loop of each stitch. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the rigid braid stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.